morning, my dear students. Welcome back to Alchemy online class. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Be safe and stay at home only, students. So, we all remember our last class? Okay, no? Then we should start our first recap and then after we will go further for our chapter. So, let's begin. So, students, as we discussed in last class about input device, so you all have to remember what is the input device. Yes, input device is device which give instructions to our computer. So we will give and discuss more about input device in this class, our chapter computer hardware. Let's begin. So I am giving you one example about input devices. An input device is a computer hardware which is used to enter data for processing. Example of input devices includes keyboard, mouse, image scanner, digital cameras and joystick. A touchscreen is a combined input and output device. So students, I am showing you some pictures of input devices. Look into. Input devices. Data and instructions must be entered into a computer system in order to carry out various tasks. The data entry tasks are carried out by the input devices. We already know that, and we already discussed in the last class, that keyboard, mouse and scanners are input device. Let us learn more about input devices. Joystick. Joystick is an input device which is used to change the position of a cursor or any other object on the screen. Joystick are popular using for playing video games. Joystick is a PSP. You all know, you all are playing games. So joystick is a device which we can use for video games. Light pen. A light pen is an also input device. It is shaped like a pen. A light pen is connected to VDU, Visual Display Unit. It allows the user to draw or point to an object on screen or monitor. Microphone. A microphone is used to input sound into a computer. It helps in recording your voice or other sound. Whenever you are using earphones or to talk someone, that it will send your voice to someone. So microphone is same as that. Graphic tablets. A graphic tablet is an input device. It is used to draw image and picture on computer. Screen in similar way as we draw pictures with pencil or paper. A graphic tablet consists of flat surface on which user can draw using pen. Like drawing device is called stylus. Graphic tablets are for great use for capturing handwritten signatures of people. It is use of our screen only. Tablets, mobile. That's like tablet. Graphic tablets are using for signatures for some similar work with a pen or pencil. Barcode reader. We all know when we are purchasing something and the cashier is used a barcode of the items. A barcode reader is a device which is used to read barcodes. A barcode is a pattern printed in lines of a different thicknesses that can be seen on many products. A barcode reader interprets these lines to input the information of a product into the computer system. Barcodes are widely used in supermarkets for recording the sales of items. Touch screens. A touch screen is a touch-sensitive computer display screen that can also act as an input device. It can identify the presence and positions of touch inside the display regions. Touch screens are easy to use and are often found in public places such as ATM, tickets, collections, terminals and airport. MICR. MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Recognitions. It's special type of device used for processing check in bank. The number codes at the bottom of the check are written using a special ink is called magnetic ink. MICR used to read this character. Digital cameras. A digital camera can be used to capture images, record videos. Pictures taken using a digital cameras are stored on memories card and can be transferred to computer by connecting the digital camera to the computer. Web camera. A web camera record video that can be saved, viewed or sent on the other people's using the internet. It is used at the time of video chatting. Many laptops come with an inbuilt web cameras. Biometric devices. The term biometric device is termed from the Greek word bio meaning life and metric meaning to measure. These days, many biometric devices are available that can scan and detect a person's fingerprints, face, wrists, and so on. These devices are used for identification, access control. They help in enhancing the security as compared to system of login IDs and password. So students, we all have seen these all our devices are used for particular places and particular things. So we will discuss this input device. You have to look into it properly, and then after I will ask you some questions.
Stylus, a pen-like drawing device used on a graphic tablet. Magnetic ink, the ink used to write the number codes at the bottom of the checks. Hard copy, the output of the printer in a permanent readable form. Sound card, a card that lets the computer play sounds and music. Video card, a card that allows the computer to display videos, graphics and animations. Ports, inlets present on the CPU box that can be used to plug various devices such as mouse, keyboard or printer to the computer system.
As I am showing you one table, match the columns. And we have discussed about input devices and their use. So we have to match the answers. Touch screen, MICR, barcode readers, graphic tablets, scanner, microphone. So you have to find out the answers. I will discuss you. Keep it in your mind the answers, then after we will discuss the answer with you and you have to relate the answers. So students, the answer for the touch screen is used at ATM and tickets terminals for making selection using the touch of a finger. MICR, used in bank to process checks. Barcode reader, used in shops to quickly input the information of product into the computer. Graphic tablets, used for drawing images and pictures on the computer. Scanner, used for creating digital copy of printed image. Microphone, helps in recording sounds. So students, you have to guess the answers for following question. Where is barcodes mostly used? Yes, you all are right. Barcodes are used for many times at shops where we can bill the products or items for our house. Which device is required at ATM to touch with fingers and make selections? Touch screen. Yes, you all are correct. Students, I am showing you this picture. Recognize this device. What is this? Yes, you all are correct. This is printer. And which kind of device is this? Yes, it's give you output. So this is the output device. So we will discuss about output, what is output devices and how many components are related to output device. Output devices. An output device is a device used to send the data from a computer to another device or user. Most computers' data output that is meant for humans is in form of audio, video. Thus, most output devices used by humans are in those categories. Example include monitors, projectors, speakers, headphones and printer. So output devices are device which gives us result on the screen. So most important is monitor, and so many devices are there, we'll discuss later. An output device produce the output in user readable form. We have already learned about two devices, monitors and speakers. You all know when we are playing a music at our school or for annual function, that is speaker, and we use monitor to play a song. So these all are output devices. Let us learn more about some other output devices. Printer. A printer is a device used to print text and pictures that we can see on monitors, on papers or other mediums such as transparencies. The output of printer is in permanent readable form is known as hard copy. Printer vary in size, speed, cost, quality of printing. Printers can be classified into two categories, impact and non-impact. Impact printers. So now we will discuss the types of printer. Impact printer, printer that make a mark on a paper by striking a print heads or a needle on the ink ribbon are called impact printer. These printers are slow, noisy, are not used for high quality printing. Dot matrix printer is an example of impact printer. You can see picture 1.13. Dot matrix printers are used in ancient time. In later times, so many people are using impact printer. It only giving the dot printing. Non-impact printers that are famous right now. Not impact printers do not string the print heads against the ink ribbon and hence generate less noise. These printers are faster than impact printer. Two common types of non-impact printer are laser and in-text printer. So you can see this is the picture of the printers. Next is plotter. Example, you know the small size papers of we have taken a printer. But plotter is used for big printers, banners, examples. So a plotter is a special type of printer used for producing high quality graphs or diagram. Plotter are used for engineer, architectures and map makers for print plan of buildings, diagram of a machine or large scale maps. So students, we will discuss two questions and you have to note in your mind or rough notebook. First question is, what is graphic tablets? We have seen what is graphic tablets used for touch screens. Like in ATM also we can use graphic tablets. Name the two types of printer. Give an example. Non-impact and impact. Impact has so many examples and non-impact also. So you have to note it down these two questions. So students, we have discussed about input and output devices. So in next class you all have to bring some pictures of processing device, that is CPU. So what components are inside in the CPU you have to bring in the next class. Understood students? Okay. So I hope students you have understood the concept that I taught you today. For other subject you have downloaded MyPedia integrated learning app. So for computer you can refer also. So and you have to be present in Zoom class. Thank you students. Bye. Be safe. Stay home.